morning. What do you mean? Thanks for passing my food down. Look at that. Damn. Putting boxes up on these because we got Milwaukee, and the Red Kingdom right there. Sheesh. This is probably Milwaukee too. We're gonna be using these bad boys. We're gonna put them on top of our trucks. It's gonna look so badass. I mean, we're probably gonna get like so many girls as we're driving. But let's be honest, it's probably gonna be guys turning their heads. Even this attachment's Milwaukee. Sheesh.
Yes, it's going out crooked.
That's fine. Can I tighten it more?
No, it's just...
Okay. Here.
It's gonna just end up...
Let's go. Let's just go. And, so we gotta put all of them. We can adjust it later. Ready?
Alright, go.
No, you're not even pushing down all the way. Sheesh. Look at that, boys. Oh yeah, 2 coolers right there.
Что такое любовь, когда тебе 18? Смотри на розы, закрытым шелковым платьем, соленые поцелуи, пропущенные от батя. Я не знаю, мне 20 спасаться, а на тебе сами звонить ему и бояться. Полагать серого фото, на драке не подписаться, гнать на бывшую тёлку, просто с ней отпускаться. Я не знаю, мне 20. Мы могли бы стать парой года на обложке журналов.
Damn, boys. We got him. Day one of us using these pads. I mean, you can see it's not moving anywhere, and I'm like 170 pounds, so you see this. Gotta unlock it, grab it by the 2 handles provided. Something like that. Oh, hold up. We'll cut that up. Then we got the cooler.